So guys, welcome to day 9 of our design challenge. I'm super excited because we're already in day 9 of our design challenge. So in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a simple but powerful movie poster design using just your smartphone. Even though you've never created a movie poster design with your smartphone, I'm going to be teaching you the simple techniques, tips and tricks behind creating a stunning movie poster design with your smartphone. All you need to do is for you to watch this tutorial video till the very end. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First, click on the icon at the right top corner of your phone. Go to image size. You know how we do it here: 1080 by 1350. I'm always doing this because of the people who are joining us for the first time here. You are highly welcome. Now change the color of the background to what? To white. Beautiful. Now we're going to be importing the background of the movie poster. So guys, this is the background. Yes, we're going to crop this part out a little. Now click on your good icon, go to relative size, increase it again. Now we're going to position it manually. Make sure it's at the center. Yes, make sure it's at the center. Beautiful. On your good icon. So go ahead and do what? Lock the background. Yes. The next thing we're going to do now is to import the image of the man holding the chain. Yes, we're going to import his picture right now. Okay, so this is the image. Now crop this part out. Click on your good icon. Lest I forget, I'm not the creator behind this masterpiece. I saw this design on Pinterest and I thought it wise and necessary for us to recreate this using our smartphone, even though it wasn't created with PixelLab. This design was created with Photoshop. Yeah, I'm very sure of that. Okay, so position it properly, take it up a little. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Now go ahead and do what? Lock the image. So the next thing we're going to do now, before then, let's work on this image. Let's work on it. So go to color what? Color filters. Follow me carefully. Okay, I would like to say something. You know, each time I create my tutorial videos, I take out time to encourage you guys because I know it's not easy for you to create designs and also catch up with other activities. You know, many of you are students and it's not easy for you to create designs and also keep up with other activities that are important to you. Now, James Clear once said that breakthrough moments are often the result of many previous actions which build up the potential required to unleash a major change. I know that you are looking forward to a whole lot of things. In fact, you can't wait for that breakthrough moment, but you just have to be patient. Yeah, you have to be patient enough for you to see that breakthrough moment. You know, many of us, we give up too easily. We give up too quick, and that is why we don't see any change. But if only you can stay true, if only you can stay true, you are going to see that breakthrough moment. Breakthrough moments are moments that you've been waiting for a long time, moments you've been waiting for eagerly. It could be in the area of your skill, it could be in the area of your finances or life generally, whichever area. I just want you to be patient enough. Trust God that that breakthrough moment will play out in your life. Trust God that that breakthrough moment will be a reality. So don't give up. Whatever you are going through, don't give up, because that breakthrough moment you want to see is close by. That breakthrough moment you want to see is at the door. Just wait for it and you will see it. I hope these few words of mine actually inspired somebody. Yeah, now let's continue. I needed to share this with you guys. It's very important. Now do what? Lock the image. Now go to your A icon. Now be writing something. Discover it at Double Cinema. First of all, let's write the word discover. Discover art. Click on your good icon, so place it here. Now go to font. We'll be using peculiar font, which is Montserrat. Is Montserrat peculiar? It's not peculiar here. I thought. Yes. Let's change it to medium. No, semi-bold. Yeah, semi-bold. Now reduce it. So reduce it again. Okay. This is good. Now go to color. Click on your plus icon. Now let's pick the color. Yeah, this is the color. Click on your good icon. Yes. So reduce it again. Okay, let's see. Even though that was not the right top. Okay, now go to edit. Let's include the word discover it at. Okay. Okay, even though this was not the exact font, we just have to make do with what we have. Okay. I think this is not the right color, so go back to your color again. Let's see if we can pick the right color. So come here, let's see. Yes, I think this is the color. Yeah, this is the color. So we'll be writing before then, let's form their logo. Click on shapes. Now click on this half circle. Click on your good icon. Now rotate it this way. Do what? Reduce it. So go to color, enable it, be using the same color. Now go to position. No, go to position, take it up. Okay, take it up, move it. Okay. Now go to relative size, reduce it from here. I so much like this application. This application has really helped me. Funny enough, I started with my laptop, let me shock you. But at some point, I said, people are designing with their smartphone. That was what I told myself. It won't be bad if I also learn how to design with my smartphone. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. That was what I told myself. I said, it won't be bad though. What do you think? So I bought a course on smartphone design. Yeah. Then we'll have to delete that shape and create another one. So what will happen is that we'll have to create that shape again. So go here. Okay, like I was saying. Okay, so how do we flip it now to the other side? We'll have to rotate it this way. You get my point? Yeah, we'll have to rotate it this way. Now reduce it. Click on that other one. Let's see the size. Okay, 4:1. Now click on this one. Go to the size. 4:1. Yeah. Now go to color. Change it to this color. So I thought to myself, it won't be bad if I learn how to create designs with my smartphone. I bought a course on smartphone design. Guess what? It was a lady that taught me how to design with my smartphone, not a guy. So when I see some ladies giving excuses that the reason why I'm unable to do this is because of I am disadvantaged in this area, it is not true. Stop making excuses for things. At every point you want to justify your action. Meanwhile, there are people that don't have much. There are people that don't have certain privileges, but they are making it. They decided not to consider where they are coming from and not to look at what they don't have. Rather, they made use of what they have, even though it wasn't much. People that give excuses are never productive in life. Excuses will take you nowhere. Okay, I think I'm doing the wrong thing, guys. Yeah, let's rotate it. Go to rotate. Okay, let's see. 90. Yeah. Now for this other one, let's also rotate it to 90. Okay, we'll have to rotate it to the other side. Plus 90 minus 90, mathematics. Yeah, this is it. So when I see people make excuses for things that they should have done, I just look at them and smile. If I tell you how much I've made ever since I started designing with my smartphone. Teaching people alone, I've made so much money. People come to my DM, tell me, I like your designs, I want you to teach me. There are times that in a week I might not create designs for a client. I might not create designs for people, that's for prospective clients, because jobs are not coming in. But then I have a tutorial course and people are buying it. So this is me telling you this afternoon, yeah. I may not know your time zone, but over here in Nigeria, this is 12:17. Please invest in yourself as much as you can. Stop making flimsy excuses for things that you should have done. So use Montserrat bold. Okay, so we're going to change this to Montserrat semi-bold. So click on OK. Yeah, this is good. So like I was saying previously, stop justifying your failures and shortcomings. I've seen people who didn't have much, but they refused to look at their disadvantages. They refused to look at their background because they knew that their backgrounds could not stop them from making progress. You can actually achieve a great feat in life if you are ready to do what is right, not what seems good. For the fact that something is good or nice doesn't make it right. I don't know if you are still with us. Yeah, make up your mind to stand out in whatever you are doing. Make up your mind to stand out in every aspect of your life, in every endeavor. Make up your mind to stand out. So guys, I hope all I've said made sense to you. Now go to your test, go to edit, start, okay, start ham. Now click on your good icon, bring it down, increase it, place it here. So go to font. We're using a peculiar font. I think I have that font here. Let me check. Master plan. This might not be the font, but it's close to it. Go to color, change it to what? White. Yeah, so reduce it. Now go to spacing. Yeah, space it out. Okay, now go to position. Okay, position it. Yeah, position it. Okay, this is good. Now go to size, reduce the size a little, and go back to position. Okay, so place it here for now. Bring it down a little. Yes. So move it. Place it here. So go to copy. Let's edit it. Write the word shelter. So bring it down, increase it. So place it here. This font is very heavy. I'm telling you, it's very, very heavy. Now go to line spacing. We're going to close it up. And close it up. Okay, so go to style. Let's make it bold. No, this is not good. Now go to color. So click on your plus icon, go to color picker. This is the original design. Now let's pick this color. Okay, please, if you know you are gaining value from this video, do well to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know where you are watching this video from. Yeah, if it's outside Nigeria, please let us know. We would like to connect with you, or I personally would like to connect with you. So let me know. Very important. So increase the size. Just increase the size. So place it here. Okay, this is good. Okay, now let's move the to test. I may not write everything, you understand? I mean the informations on the design. So I'm going to stop somewhere. You can take out your time and write them. It's very important, please. Yeah, I'm looking at my time. Now let's write only in theaters, January 30th. Okay. Only in theaters. Okay, so bring it down, reduce it. So place it here and go to color. That's not a white color, this was the color they use if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, let's see. Yes, that's the color. Now go to font. We're using a long font here. Let's use Bibas. Yeah, we're going to increase it so it can be visible enough. Okay, let's see. Okay, also increase it again. Oh, I think we'll have to reduce it a little. Reduce it a little. Now go to color. I think we're going to change this color. It's not light at all. We need something light, yeah, so that I can stand out. Let's see. This is fair. Oh, this is fair. This is fair. Now copy it. Let's write the word January 30th. January 30th. Okay. So bring it down. Place it here. Okay. Let's see. Place it here. Okay. So I'm going to stop here, guys. Do how to write other information on the design. So what we're going to do now is to save the design. Save as project. So the name is what? Shelter. Yeah, I'll be stopping here now. Let's save as what? Image. So change this one to what? PNG. Change it to Ultra. Then save to Gallery. Okay, guys, we are in Snapseed. This time around, I decided to use Snapseed, not PixelLab. So we're going to be using Pop. Let's wait for it. Wow, this is beautiful. I love Snapseed though. Many of you might think that I don't know how to use Snapseed. Who told you? I know how to use Snapseed very well. I know you've been watching some of my videos and majority of them were edited in PixelLab. I mean my designs. But I can also use Snapseed. But sometimes I choose to use PixelLab. Well, this is good though. This is nice. Wow. So what's your take on this? That's not all. Go back to details. So increase the structure. Wow. Be careful so you will not destroy your design because of your adding details. Well, I think this is good. The next design we're going to edit, we're going to use Snapseed. So guys, thank you so much. I believe you've gained value from this video. So do what to leave a like. Do what to like this video, leave a comment, possibly share it. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also watch the next video that will appear on your screen. For those of you that are yet to join our community, head over to the description of this video. Find our WhatsApp group link there. Do what to join so you can participate in the design challenge. And if you'd like to gain access to the design resources, do well to watch this video to the end, because at intervals certain numbers will appear on your screen. Take note of them. When you are done, head over to the description of this video. Again, you will find a link to a website. Click on it. When you get to the website, you'll be asked to provide the password. Input the password and you will definitely gain access to the design resources. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I really appreciate it. My name is Victor and the name of my brand is Vixen Tech. Do have a nice day. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, which happens to be day 10.